Are you looking for the best TKL keyboards? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best TKL keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, AULA F87 Gasket Keyboard. The AULA F87 Gasket Gaming Mechanical Keyboard is a 75% TKL compact layout keyboard featuring a gasket-mounted structure for a softer typing feel and reduced ping. It offers versatile tri-mode connectivity via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and wired USB-C, along with fully hot-swappable switches for easy customization. The keyboard comes with RGB lighting, durable keycaps, and some versions include pre-lubed switches. It supports multi-device Bluetooth connections and is designed for gamers and typists who want both space-saving design and customization options. Battery life can reach up to 222 hours with lighting on and 266 hours with lighting off. Users should verify compatibility with their preferred switches, 3-pin, 5-pin, and check software support for macros or lighting customization. Pricing in Bangladesh ranges from around Rs 5,000 to Rs 5,500 depending on the variant, making it a strong option for a wireless, customizable mechanical keyboard with modern features. Number 2, AKKO Taxi 75 He Magnetic Keyboard. The AKKO Tax 75 He Magnetic Switch Keyboard is a 75% compact wired gaming keyboard designed for high-performance esports and rapid response. It features AKKO's Hall effect magnetic switches, offering linear key presses with an ultra-fast actuation point of 0.05 mur, a 3.4mm key travel, and an 8 Hz polling rate for extremely low latency. The keyboard supports RGB lighting and has a compact layout that retains the function row, arrow keys, and some navigation keys while saving desk space. Its magnetic switches provide smoother feel, faster responsiveness, and reduced contact wear compared to traditional mechanical switches. While wired only, it is ideal for competitive gamers seeking precise, rapid input. Users should note that switch compatibility differs from standard mechanical switches, and software may allow customization of actuation points and lighting profiles. Availability in Bangladesh should be checked for pricing, warranty, and import options. Number 3, AULA Hero 68 He Ultra Keyboard. The AULA Hero 68 He Ultra is a compact 65% 68 key wired gaming keyboard designed for high-performance esports. It features Hall effect magnetic switches for ultra-fast actuation, an adjustable trigger point down to approximately 0.00 rev mirror, and a polling rate up to 8 key heads, ensuring precise and responsive key presses. The keyboard has a durable aluminum body, side-printed PBT keycaps, customizable RGB backlighting, and supports Windows remapping through dedicated software. Its compact layout saves desk space while retaining essential keys, making it suitable for both gaming and minimal setups. Being wired only, it lacks wireless functionality, and users should verify switch compatibility if they plan to swap switches. Local availability, pricing, and warranty in Bangladesh should be checked before purchase. Number 4, Hexgear's GK15 Mechanical Keyboard. The Hexgear's GK15 is a full-size 104-key wired mechanical gaming keyboard designed for durability and customization. It features hot-swappable KL box switches, allowing users to easily replace switches without soldering, and comes with ABS keycaps. The keyboard supports vibrant RGB backlighting and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and even Android devices, making it versatile for multi-platform use. Its design focuses on both performance and mod-friendly features, appealing to gamers and typists who want a customizable and reliable mechanical keyboard. Users should verify the specific version's lighting, layout, and local availability before purchase. Number 5, Morkblade Bold TKL He Keyboard. The Morkblade Bold TKL He is a high-end Tenkeyless wired gaming keyboard built with a CNC machined aluminum alloy case for durability and premium aesthetics. It features Hall effect magnetic switches with adjustable actuation points down to approximately 0.01 number and offers an 8 Hz polling rate for ultra-low latency performance. The keyboard supports rapid trigger input, full RGB backlighting, and a flexible mounting structure for improved typing feel. Some variants allow switch and keycap customization, making it ideal for competitive gamers and enthusiast typists seeking both premium build and cutting-edge responsiveness. Users should check local availability, warranty, and compatibility with their preferred switches before purchase.